What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to integrate sine to the power of 4x dx. So first of all, I use some trig identity and then I use some substitution method. So instead of sine to the power of 4, I will write sine squared x to the power of 2 dx. So after that I can say sine squared x is the same as 1 over 2 1 minus cosine 2x, and cosine squared x is the same as 1 over 2 times 1 plus cosine 2x. So we have these two trig identities. Trig identities. Then I can sub it in here, so I will have 1 over 2 1 minus cosine 2x to the power of 2 dx. Then 1 over 2 is going to be 1 over 4 because 2 squared is going to be 4, and then I take it out from the integration, and then it will be 1 minus cosine 2x to the power of 2 dx. Then what I can do, I can expand this expression. It will be 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus 1 over 2 times 1 plus cosine 4x. Why I wrote it like that? Because I can write it here, 1 minus cosine 2x times 1 minus cosine 2x. It will be 1 squared plus cosine 2x squared minus 2 times 1 times cosine 2x. So we have 1 minus 2 cosine 2x, and then here we have cosine squared of 2x, which makes it as 1 over 2 1 plus cosine 4x, according to the formula we had earlier in this video. So cosine squared 2x will be 1 over 2 1 plus cosine 4x, because it's going to be double of this expression here. So instead of 2x, 2 times 2x is going to be 4x. So then we come back here and try to expand it more. We have 1 minus 2 cosine 2x plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cosine 4x dfx. Then these two, 1 and 1 over 2 together is going to be 1 plus 1 over 2 is going to be 3 over 2. So I can write it like that, 1 over 4 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cosine 4x minus 2 cosine 2x dfx. Then I can say 1 over 4 3 over 2 dx plus 1 over 8 integration of cosine 4x dx, and then finally we have 2 over 4, which is going to be 1 over 2 cosine 2x dfx. Now we need to do actual integration now. So that's going to be just, we multiply this, it's going to be 3 divided by 8, and then integration of d of x, which is going to be just x plus 1 over 8. So if I consider 4x as u, so u will be 4x, so du will be 4 dx, so dx will be du over 4. So I will have 1 over 8 cosine u du over 4, and here we have 2x I change it to v, substitution method, v equals to 2x, so dv is going to be 2dx, and dx will be dv divided by 2. So that makes it negative 1 over 2 integration of cosine v dv over 2, and here we had 3 over 8x, so we need to do the integration of these two. We will have 3 over 8x plus 1 over 8 times 1 over 4 sine u minus 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, 1 over 4 of sine v, and then we can sub it back here. U is 4x and v is 2x, so it will be 3 over 8x plus 1 over 32 sine 4x minus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus c. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. By subscribing, you can find out lots of videos in different playlists in this channel regarding math and other topics in science. Thank you.